Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing Burger King. You can actually have it delivered to you here in South Korea. I ordered the Quattro cheeseburger, which I have not seen in the US. So let's go ahead and take a look. So Burger King delivers the drink so it doesn't spill. Most delivery drinks are delivered like this. And look at this. Look at this. No drip. Alright. They even have sharpened straw. And boom shakalaka. You get that nice waterproof IP68 rating Burger King Coca-Cola. That's pretty cool, right? Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. This Quattro cheeseburger, my favorite. It's actually not available in the US for some reason, but man, Burger King is just completely different. I used to not like Burger King when I was in the US, but after I came here, I am a believer in Burger King. And here is the Quattro cheese Whopper. I've got some fries, just regular fries. Ooh, the fries are good here. Man. Even the fries are good. And we've got the Quattro cheeseburger. Oh, that looks so good. And boom shakalaka. You got that Quattro cheeseburger. Look at this. So we've got a ton of cheese, onions. It just tastes good. Let me check it out. Now let me take a bite. It's a very cheesy burger. Now in Korea, they give you 2 pieces of ketchup. Yes, if you ask for more, they'll give you 2 more pieces. If you go to McDonald's, if you go to Burger King, any fast food restaurants, they only give you 2 packets of ketchup. Some ketchup. That is some. It's like Whopper, but you know, not so much mayo and way more cheese. They also had this truffle cheeseburger, which was really, really good. Truffle cheese Whopper. It has a little bit of truffle in it. You get this taste of truffle. I wish I could have shown you these, but it's like seasonal. So they only had it for like a few months. They also have jalapeno Whopper, which is good. They got the Guinness Whopper. I mean, the menu is entirely different here in South Korea. That's a damn good Whopper. American food in general in Korea, especially burgers, pizza, is really good. Now there's also smaller mom and pop burger shops that are really good. There's like literally thousands of different burger brands in Korea. So that was about 10,900 won for the set, which translates to roughly like $7. Delivery was 4,000 won, which translates to maybe $3. So total $10, including delivery. They also have the long chicken burger, monster Whopper, monster X Whopper, spicy donut chicken burger, what crispy donut chicken burger, barbecue king chicken burger, Tabasco monster burger, Texas chili chicken burger. Anyway, that was very good. Come to Korea, Burger King is way better. Hey guys, that's it for today. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next mukbang.